Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Larsen and Petersen. This is a game from Denmark Championship, played in 1995. Larsen had white pieces and he started with e4. Petersen played e6, d4, d5, the French defense. White to move. Knight to d2. Knight to c3 is the most played move. Larsen played knight to d2. Did you know that Tal also preferred this move? Knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4, e5, attacking the knight and gaining the space on the board. And from f to d7, bishop to d3, white has a space advantage. c5, attacking white center, this is the most natural move. c3, knight to c6, knight on g to f3, c takes on d4, c takes on d4, black to move, f6 was played. Queen to b6 is the most played move, more pressure on the pawn on d4. Petersen played f6. Playing f6 before castling could be risky, sometimes. It is white to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Perhaps the first move that comes to mind is pawn takes pawn on f6. Do you agree? Maybe castling. Castling is too quiet. Pawn takes pawn on f6, definitely. There was a big surprise. Larsen played knight to g5, attacking the pawn on e6. Is Larsen missing something? Petersen happily captured the knight. What was the idea behind the knight sacrifice? What is the follow-up? What would you do? Larsen played queen to h5 check. g6, attacking the queen. What is the best square for the queen? What would you do? Larsen played bishop takes on g6 check. h takes on g6. White to move, to take the rook or the pawn. What would you do? 5 points or 1 point? Larsen played queen takes pawn on g6 check. King to e7. But what now? What would you do? White queen needs help. How to bring more soldiers to the front line rapidly? What would Tal do? Larsen played knight to e4. The threat is bishop takes on g5, winning the queen. Bishop to h6 defending. Bishop takes on g5 check. Bishop takes bishop, saving the queen. White to move. What would you do? Is queen takes bishop on g5 the best move? Or maybe there is a better move. Queen to g7 check, that's the best move. King to e8. White to move into checkmate in 1. And the move is knight to d6, checkmate. I have to tell you a secret, but please don't tell anyone. Larsen was not the first player to win a game like this. 25 years earlier, Tal played against Salnikov, and this is the final position from that game. Let's go back to move 13. In this position, Tal played knight to c4 with the same idea. His opponent played bishop to h6, and then we have bishop takes on g5, check. Bishop takes on g5, queen to g7, check. King to e8, knight to d6, check. Mate. And now, please don't blink. I will return to the game Larsen-Petersen, played in 1995. And back to Tal Salnikov game. Credit to Larsen, who studied the games of Tal. Do you study the games of old masters? Did you have a chance to use that knowledge in your own games? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess and bye for now.